Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about a hose. It's the Bond 50-foot Aeroflex hose. This is a pretty wild looking hose, Josh.
Yeah, this is, let's just clarify this first. This is not your construction hose. I mean, you're not gonna go and use this every single day and hit it with a shovel, but this is your all-around.
It doesn't look like my garden hose either.
No, that's what's cool about it. It's got that elastomeric fabric in it, UV ray protected. So it feels like a really small hose when you grab it and feel it.
Yeah.
But it actually expands under house pressure, 50, 60 PSI. It expands to the size of a 5/8 hose, so that's really cool. But if you look at how small this thing is, like if you wanted to roll it up and put it in your bag or your backpack.
Isn't it gonna kink if you...
No, it's got patented technology in it that I can't share with you, but no, it's kink-free technology that they have in this.
Okay.
So when I actually hooked it up, I put it in a big ball and powered it up, and it almost like unfolds itself. It's sort of cool. So the other thing is they got poly connections on the end here, and what I like about that is they're not marring. They're mar-free sort of.
Yeah, they won't
when
make
you're banging
marks.
them in, throwing it. Yeah, you don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. So
Sure. So why do I want a hose? I mean, it's attractive looking,
Yeah.
but why do I want a hose?
Well,
like
this is something that if you have an RV or you're going camping.
Okay, yeah. So
bring it down and wash your boat or your jet ski, or that's the part about it that's nice. It's
sort of stuff it away. It
yeah,
doesn't take up that much room, and
it
it won't
doesn't
kink
take
when
up
you
any
crumple
room.
it up, right?
No, it doesn't. I mean, it's hard to even tie up if you tried to. So, but they've tested this at 300 psi. They come in 50 foot long. It doesn't look 50 feet long, but it is. So, they're a neat hose. They're worth the $25. I mean, that's not $25. Is not that much money.
No, not at all. This is the Bond Aeroflex Stretch Fabric Hose. About $25. Check them out online. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.